Some moments are so peaceful, so complete, that you never forget them. This is one of those moments. Watching my big cat eat in the middle of nature, calm, relaxed, and fully satisfied, feels like time slows down. Every look, every step, every bite tells a story you can't ignore. Stay with me, and feel this moment till the end. The day feels different when my big cat steps into nature. Before the food even arrives, his eyes begin to speak. He looks around slowly. Not afraid. Not rushed. Just aware of everything, the wind, the sounds, the space around him. Every step he takes feels confident. Like he knows this place belongs to him, at least for this moment. When the food is placed in front of him, he doesn't jump. He doesn't rush. He looks first. Smells. Feels the moment. His eyes shine with anticipation, not hunger, but trust. Trust that this moment will be good. As he starts eating, something magical happens. The world fades. Nature becomes quiet. And his entire focus turns into peace. Each bite is slow. Each movement is relaxed. It feels like every desire he ever had is fulfilled right here. He pauses sometimes, lifting his head, looking around. As if he's asking nature, is everything okay? And nature answers with silence. There is no fear in his eyes. No tension in his body. Because his owner is right beside him. That presence changes everything. He eats freely. Comfortably. Without worry. This is what trust looks like. As the meal ends, his body relaxes even more. He cleans himself slowly, with satisfaction written all over his face. Then comes the final moment. Sitting on the balcony, or near the railing. Eyes half closed. Breathing slow. Sleep slowly arriving. That sleepy calm. That post-meal peace. Is more beautiful than words. Watching him like this makes every second feel new. This isn't just a cat eating. This is a soul feeling safe, full, and loved. And moments like this are truly unforgettable. As the meal slowly comes to an end, everything feels softer. His movements become slower, calmer, more relaxed. He licks his lips gently, cleans his paws, and takes a deep breath. There is no rush anymore. Only satisfaction. His eyes, once full of anticipation, now carry peace. That deep, quiet peace that comes after every need is fulfilled. He slowly walks toward the balcony, or the edge of the space he loves. Each step feels light, as if his body has forgotten all tension. He sits down. Looks around one last time. Nature feels closer now, quieter, warmer, kinder. The wind touches his fur. The sounds fade into the background. His eyes begin to close, just a little. That sleepy feeling arrives. Not heavy, not forced. Just natural. This is the moment I love the most. Because it's not about food anymore. It's about safety. Comfort. Trust. He knows he is not alone. He knows someone is watching over him. And that trust allows him to rest. His breathing slows. His body sinks into calmness. Time itself feels slower. Watching him like this reminds me of something simple but powerful. Happiness doesn't need noise. It doesn't need speed. Sometimes, happiness looks like a full stomach. A quiet place. And the freedom to rest without fear. As the day moves forward, this moment stays behind. Soft, warm, unforgettable. And this is how peace looks.